फिर भी ये चुप रहती है, अब तक किसी ने ना जाना जिंदगी क्या कहती है.
That is so true, Khushbu. You will never know what will happen in life. Kal ho na ho. So, we've had some singing and some dancing, but now it's time for some acting. We present to you our very own Natak, Kal Ho Na Ho. The script was written by Mahesh Gandecha and directed by Mahesh and Ekta Gandecha.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast is as follows. Mansukh Bhai as Shri Thakur Bhai, Vinay as Vinay Soni, Risha as Risha Soni. Jyoti Ben's role was played by Madhuben Karach. Nishchal's role was played by Ajay Jamna Das. Geeta as Sheetal Karshan. Meena by Rekha Ben Panchal. Dipna by Deepna Karaj. Script written by Mahesh Gandecha. Directed by Mahesh and Ekta Gandecha. Technical and music, Nishchal Patel.
Pizza.
एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल. महलों में हो तेरे बोलों की मस्ती, गलियों में हो तेरे गीतों की बस्ती.
महलों में हो तेरे बोलों की मस्ती, गलियों में हो तेरे गीतों की बस्ती.
क्या राजा क्या प्रजा,
क्या राजा क्या प्रजा,
क्या बूढ़ा क्या बच्चा,
क्या बूढ़ा क्या बच्चा,
सारे इंसानों की है एक तेरी हस्ती. निकले तेरी आवाज जो भी छेड़े साज, जीवन की धुन बन जा फिर दुनिया से डोल.
एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल. ला 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 ला.
Go sit down.
जय श्री कृष्ण बापूजी.
हाँ, जय श्री कृष्ण बेटा आओ आओ.
केम छो बापूजी?
तद्दन मजाમાં છું. I'm very fine, thank you.
वाह बापूजी वाह. It's so nice to see you teaching my daughter such good music. Bapuji, nowadays they make music to watch rather than to listen. Like Sheila ki jawani, अरे मुन्नी बदनाम हुई डार्लिंग तेरे लिए. Bapuji, when will our children learn how to sing such beautiful sangeet? When will they learn how to play tabla and harmonium? Wow, Bapuji, you were so good in your days. You used to sing beautiful garbas and bhajans.
Very true, beta, very true. You see, my Pari here, she dances so well and she sings so well, and I am really proud of her.
Thank you, Bapuji. Thank you very much.
Here she comes. Oh, here she comes.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ બેટા. આ તમે શું કરો છો? Whenever you see me coming in, you put your glasses on. You still like to check me out, eh?
Oh, nah. My doctor said whenever the headache comes forward to me, I must always put my glasses on.
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. गुड
Krishna, Ma.
Jai Shri Krishna, Jai
Jai
Shri
Shri Krishna,
Krishna.
Pa.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, Bhai.
Jai Shri Krishna.
I'd like you all to meet my friend, Geeta.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna,
Jai Shri
beta.
Krishna.
આ બીજી છે?
લાગે છે બીજી હે?
કોણ
લાગે છે
બીજી છે? કોણ બીજી છે?
Babuji, she's always busy.
Oh, beta, I am so pleased. My nischal is with you.
So, what are you two deciding now?
Deciding about what?
Marriage, lagna?
Ma, we're just trying to get to know each other. There's no marriage thingy at the moment.
Arey, don't worry, beta, don't worry. Remember, marriage is a 3-ring circus. First, you have the engagement ring, and then you have the wedding ring, and after the wedding ring, suffering. And it's also a 4-way circus. First, you have azadi, your independence before you get married, and then you have marriage, which is sadi, and after sadi, azadi gone. And after azadi gone, what do you have? Barbadi. Huh.
Jyoti Masi,
જી બેટા.
see here what your son has given me.
શું લખ્યું છે બેટા?
My first love letter.
Oh, love letter.
Ah, Faru,
Ah,
can I
ah,
read
ah,
it?
Beta, read it, read it. Let's see what he has written inside the letter there.
No, Masi, you got to see what your son writes to
વાચ
me.
બેટા, વાચ લેટર. વાંચીને સંભળાવ અમને.
Okay. Geeta, I am pleased to inform you that after our first meeting on 13th July at 1500 hours, I have fallen in love with you.
Oh.
I would like to present myself as a prospective lover. આવું કોઈ લગતું હશે માસી? Our relationship would be on probation for a period of 3 months. And depending on compatibility, it would be made permanent. Expenses incurred for coffee and entertainment would initially be shared equally between us. Like, really? And within 30 days, upon receiving this love letter, I would like you to meet my pa and my ma. Masi, Ahamro, if you do not wish to accept my proposal,
હા.
would you please kindly forward this letter to your hot sister? આવું કોઈ લગતું હશે?
બેટા, બેટા, નિશ્ચલ બેટા. આ તો શરમની વાત છે બેટા, શરમની વાત છે. આવું કાંઈ લખાય? આ બિઝનેસ લેટર છે કે ઇઝ ઇટ અ લવ લેટર? બહુ શરમની વાત છે બેટા.
Gita, I was born too early in my life. I didn't have all these opportunities to write letters like this.
You know, in my days, I used to get so many proposals. But when my father saw you, he insisted that I must marry you.
Oh, I am so jealous of all those proposals. So lucky them and so unlucky me.
Oh, Papa. At this age, you are just too much. Bapuji,
જી બેટા.
at this age, when will you two stop fighting? નાની વાતમાં બકવાસ કરી નાખો છો.
And what about you, Vinay?
Me?
Who is this Rita who keeps sending all the emails to you?
Rita? Rita? Oh, Rita. She's one of my old flames. One of my old friends.
I heard lot about you and Rita. What's going on, Vinay?
Beta, don't get upset. Don't get upset. See, man has a sense of humor, and woman has a sense of rumor.
Rita, oh yeah. Wasn't she that same girl you was caught sleeping with?
What? Daddy, Mummy? Is this true? What Mr. Bhai is saying? Vinay, you cheat.
Bobby, wait. Okay. Let me explain. You see, Bai and Rita used to sit together in the maths class, and the teacher phoned to complain That Bai was always falling asleep in the maths class.
Nishal bhai, I will kill you.
Hello, Mr. Vinay. I want to meet you and I want to talk to you. You are the father of one of my kids.
Mummy, Daddy, can you hear what that lady is saying?
આ શું વાત કરે છે?
Hello? Hello, who is this? Is this Ria? Is this Geeta?
No,
Is this Hina?
no. Sir,
Is this Dina?
I'm the class teacher of one of your daughters. I want to discuss your daughter's progress in the school.
Oh my God. You're great. આજે મને તો થયું કે હું મરી ગયો. હાશ બાપા, આજ તો હું બચી ગયો.
Ria, Geeta, Hina, Dina, I will shut you out. Anyway, Nishal bhai, I must thank you for lending me your new BMW.
No problem, Bobby. How is my baby?
Oh, Nishal bhai, you know, all 8 airbags working perfectly. Only brake did not work very well, especially when you drive at 150.
150.
What? Am I hearing correct? All 8 airbags working perfectly? That means you knocked my car? Where is it?
Don't get upset, Nishal bhai. By the time it will come back from panel beater, it would be like new. And you know, they say one small scratch on right hand side, that will also get sorted out. So don't worry.
Bai, you see, that's why I don't like anyone to drive my car.
Nishal bhai, you should be asking me whether I got hurt or not. And look at you, worry about your car.
Yes, bhai.
You know how hard I work for my car?
Nishal bhai, don't worry, nothing happened to your car. I'm just checking to see how much you love and care your family.
You know, boys, I've been a little bit worried about Deepna since her operation. Why don't you all brothers go and cheer her up? I'm sure she'll feel good and enjoy your moral support.
Sure, ba. Chalo, Nishal bhai. Chal bhai. Let's go. Let's show our little sister Deepna all the love and the care that we have for her. Let's go and cheer our sister up. ચાલો આપણે એને ખુશી કરીએ, આપણે આપણી બેનાને રાજી કરીએ. ચાલો.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है. जीवन के दुखों से यूं डरते नहीं हैं, ऐसे बच के सच से गुजरते नहीं हैं. सुख की है चाह तो दुख भी सहना है. ओ ला 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 ला.
This is so wonderful. Thank you so much. Could I sing a song for you?
Please do.
Certainly, please sing for us, Bena.
तुम्ही मेरी मंदिर, तुम्ही मेरी पूजा, तुम्ही देवता हो, तुम्ही देवता हो. कोई मेरी आंखों से देखे तो समझे कि तुम मेरे क्या हो, कि तुम मेरी क्या हो. रात बीती चलो मैं सुला दूं पवन चढ़े सरगम मैं लोरी सुना दूं आ, 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 तुम्हें देख कर ये ख्याल आ रहा है कि जैसे फरिश्ता कोई सो रहा है तुम्ही मेरी मंदिर तुम्ही मेरी पूजा तुम्ही देवता हो तुम्ही देवता हो तुम्ही देवता हो You are my temple You are my prayer You are so divine So divine
વાહ બેન તે તો કેટલું સરસ સંગીત સંભળાવ્યું અમને. I actually thought that a CD was playing. But look at this. This was live singing right in front of me. વાહ બેન વાહ.
Fantastic. Well done.
Oh, family, I am feeling so beautiful today, so lovely, so divine, so spiritual. Let us all go to Ekta Mandir for Aarti today.
આરતી એકતા મંદિર.
For Aarti today.
What? You talking about going to Ekta Mandir
Yes.
for Aarti today? You don't ever have time to go to the Ekta Mandir for Aarti. Although you do have time to go for your weekly meetings at the Kendra.
I need to recharge my airtime. Now I need to go to the Ekta Mandir to get my my recharge voucher.
Papa, what's wrong with you? You're on a contract, Papa. You don't pay as you go,
I am.
and you want to recharge. And then too, Papa, you want to go to Ekta Mandir to recharge? What's wrong with you, Papa? I don't think Tarun Bhai or Ramnik Bhai sell recharge vouchers for you there, Papa.
Beta, I need to ask Lord Krishna upstairs in Ekta Mandir for my airtime recharge voucher. Therefore, I said, let us all go for Aarti today. You know why? Today also, the Kendra residents are coming for the Aarti. So let's go to Aarti, all of us together, Ekta Mandir. And after that, I will explain to you what I require for my airtime recharge voucher.
Sure, Papa.
ચાલો આપણે આરતીમાં let's go.
ચાલો છોકરાઓ બધા
ચાલો,
આરતી
ચાલો.
માટે મંદિરે જાય આજે.
આપણે આરતીમાં જઈએ. Let's give a round of applause for all our Kendra residents, everybody.
मन मंदिर तेरा था जीवन देना जीवन लेना ये है तेरा ही काम। माटी के पुतले हैं माटी में मिल जाएंगे, जो कर्म योगी हैं कर्मों से याद आएंगे। मरकर भी वो जिंदा है जो कर जाए कुछ काम। एक रूप कई नाम मन मंदिर तेरा धाम।
Ah, home sweet home.
Nishcha, Bhai, all you worry about is home sweet home. You want to sit at the TV and watch soccer all day? Or you'd like to play on your computer? પણ આજે એકતા મંદિરમાં જઈને ભગવાનની આરતી સાંભળતા આપણે કેટલો બધો આનંદ આવ્યો, કેટલું બધું શીખવાનું મળ્યું. મારું હૃદય તો ખુશ ખુશ થઈ ગયું કે ચાલો આપણે એકતા મંદિરની આજે આરતી સાંભળી.
Beta, Jyoti,
जी
જી પપ્પા.
listen to me very, very carefully. You remember I went to see a doctor recently and he referred me to a specialist. And I went to a specialist just recently, about last week or so. And they did a test on me, some test, and I went to see him about this test. We were sitting there and talking, and he looked very, very worried. So I said to him, I said, why are you so worried? And he said to me that the news is not good at all. So now I am telling you the news that he's given me. It is not good news. Unfortunately, I'm afraid to give this news to you people. He looked at me and he said to me, you know, I have been diagnosed with cancer. And I know my time is coming to an end. I have now understood the value of time and life. And it's very difficult to understand that. I know after I go with the cancer, I'm not going to survive for too long. And I know I have to go, but unfortunately, I won't be together with all of you. When a man goes on a long run in life, nobody remembers him. Nobody cares for him. Life just goes on for everybody. When they put you in a frame and they put a garland around you, that's it. It's as if, you know how they say, out of sight, out of mind.
जरा हिम्मत नहीं हारता तमे. I've seen so many cancer patients that get better and live long. Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope.
Papa, be strong, Papa. I know you, Papa, you will fight this cancer. Papa, we're all with you. And we all as a family will fight this cancer together. We all are with you, Papa. તમે ફિકર જરાય નહીં કરતા, Papa.
Thank you, Beta. Thank you.
And we will all celebrate your life. Every moment of it, we will celebrate it.
Yes, Papa.
Don't lose hope.
Yes, Papa, please. Please don't lose hope.
Beta, only now do I realize the value of time and life. I can't believe how time has flown. And we are valuable just because we exist, not because what we have done or what we are doing right now.
Don't lose hope. You've got a wonderful family here, and the best treatment your children will get for you. And you will be fine. And with absolute faith in God, miracles can happen.
Yes, Papa. Miracles do happen. And we all are with you as a family here. We will do everything for you in our best ability to help you during this trying time, during this time of pain and suffering. Papa, तमें फिकर जरा ही नहीं करता.
Jyoti,
Ji,
you know, when we are born, we weigh on an average between 2.5 kgs and 3.5 kgs.
Acha.
And when we die, our
Yeah.
ashes weigh the same.
Oh.
So in other words, to say, what we come with is what we leave behind. And that is the reality of life.
But don't lose hope. Everything is going to be fine for you. We all are going to be together with you.
Hey, can I take all my wealth with me in my box when I go?
Why do you talk like that? Em તમે કેમ બોલો છો?
You know, before I die, I would like to cash in all my investments and all my wealth. So when I go, there is no headaches for you, for any of you. Right? So
Please.
therefore, what you do is total all my wealth and all my investment and make out a check and put it in my box. So when I go, I can say I am not going empty-handed.
Please, shub shub bolo. Don't speak like that.
Oh, I have to go for an operation soon, and I know, I am positive, I will come out of alive. All of you, please don't lose hope. And I want to live the rest of my life in peace and tranquility and spirituality, and spend a lot of time, quality time with all of you, and also do whatever social work and whatever little community work that I can do. Right?
Barabar.
Therefore, all of you, let me go with a smile, and I know I will come back, and I am positive. But if anything happens to me, don't lose hope. And anything happens to me, please don't forget to put the check in my box. So when I stand in front of God, I can say, God, I am not empty-handed.
हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो.
I certainly think you all agree that every single member of this cast is ready for Bollywood. Let's just give a final thank you to our cast members once again. Mansukh Bhai as Sri Thakur Bhai, Vinay as Vinay Soni, Risha as Risha Soni, Jyoti Ben's role played by Madhuben Garach, Nishchal's role played by Ajay Jamnadas, Geeta as Shital Karjan, Meena by Rekha Ben Panchal, and the script written by Mahesh Gandecha, directed by Mahesh and Ekta Gandecha, with the technicalities and music done by Nishchal Patel.